what would be your best ideal portfolio mix of commercial property, Bitcoin, shares, etc.?
To be honest with you, I don't like shares. I think in terms of investing in the stock market, I think, what are they called? Equity bonds are better, more stable, 9%, I think. They average over a length of time. In terms, I also don't know much about commercial property, and I'm not interested in it. So I think you've got to be interested in what you invest in, because otherwise you're too dependent on advisors. So I'm a great believer I love high growth areas like inner city, even large rural centres. But I also then love the whole coastal Airbnb, the country type property. So, and the other thing that I have been doing a lot of it recently is investing in websites.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So you're going to die when I tell you this, but my marketing guy and I have been doing a lot of learning around it, and we decided that we would buy a bigger site to get a bit of an understanding of how they go, because mainly we're growing our own. But we bought this website for $100,000 on renovations, but as it's turned out, the ranking content is all on toilets. So basically, we've spent $100,000 on a website about toilets.
That wasn't your worst investment?
No.
Okay. So how
the only thing I would say about that is, I know they do say it is an investment asset class, but it's not the sort of investment you can set and forget.
Because, so I'm just curious. Yeah. So when you buy a website, how do you manage it? How do you make money out of the website?
So this one was already making money. So we paid now you try and get a real estate investment to do this. You paid $100,000 and it was bringing in around about $2,900 a month.
Well, no, it's $36,000.
Oh, yeah.
36%.
Yeah.
Not bad. And you don't have to do anything. You don't have to.
Well, you do actually, because if you don't, that won't stay. Like other sites will come and take over although I think I don't think I should say, I'm not going to tell you what our top ranking article is because it's too terrible. So what we need to do is, and we are doing this, is updating the content that's already there and adding new content. So there's a thing called topical authority where you become an authority on a particular topic. So clearly we're a topical authority on toilets at the moment. So we're extending that out to bathrooms and then further on. And so you need to keep that up. I learned the other day, to have a website that's bringing in $20,000 a month, you need to have around 1,700 articles on it. And obviously these are SEO optimized articles. To have 1,700 articles, if you were to write them longhand, I know we have AI now, but if you were to write them manually, that will cost you about $92,000 to get that written. But $20,000 is $240 a year. It's not too bad.
So just before I move on next, I'm just a little bit confused. So people go on the website, and how are you making money? From the ads, or are you making money from people then buying products and getting it fulfilled?
So at the moment, it's just Amazon affiliate, which is lousy, and display ads. Right. You know those websites that you go on and you hate them because they've got those flashing ads? Well, it's like that.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So there you go.